At Lake Hamilton High School, our students aren't just learning about business, they're getting to run one. And thanks to a retail management startup grant, business is thriving.
So with this grant, it offered us the ability to have a lot more equipment, industry recognized equipment that the students could use. So we now have a direct to fabric printer so we can make t-shirts from custom orders in-house rather than outsourcing all of our transfers and materials.
We got a kiosk, and the kiosk allows us to kind of just still do business outside of places, not just in the Wolf store, because a lot of people don't really see the Wolf store from the moment they come in.
A lot of kids come into business class thinking that they want to own their own business one day just to be a boss and set their own hours and do their own thing. They have no idea how much work it truly takes to be an entrepreneur.
There's a lot of planning that's involved, and there's also a lot of strategy behind it.
Our business management program puts students in charge of every step, ordering products, pricing, inventory, marketing, and design. They're gaining real-world skills that prepare them for entrepreneurship and future careers.
It's been so rewarding to see them actually come into the Wolf store and see a shirt that they made sell off the shelf and be like, wow, I did that, and understand that it's something that they can do and they can be successful at.
This is Career and Technical Education, building future leaders at Lake Hamilton.